Mahindra Bolero, the most affordable, reliable and powerful Indian SUV. It was launched in 2000, which makes it the oldest SUV of India. Now in 2020, Mahindra had launched Bolero with new BS6 compliant engine. Since the 20 years of journey, the Bolero was very nice. This is India's most oldest SUV that's still selling its unit. It is one of the best selling car of many years. The price of Bolero BS6 starts from 7.98 lakhs ex-showroom. It's also ready for the current crash test norm. This is the first vehicle which have metal bumper, but it clears crash test. So big hats up to Mahindra that they did the great job that is so difficult. First thing we gonna talk is what changes are done in this product. First thing you will notice that it gets new front grille, new headlamps also given, and the look of its bumper also changed. Its design looks more aggressive than before. There is no difference in tire size, the same tire size which offered before. When you look at the side profile of the vehicle, nothing was changed. The level of simplicity of Mahindra Bolero was also continued in this variant, which was a very cool thing. When it comes to rear, that same Stephanie on the rear door, one small change is done in rear tail lamp, which gets normal bulb, not LEDs as before. Its very simplistic design makes Bolero unique. If we're gonna talk about overall features of this car, it gets driver side airbag, ABS, reverse parking sensors, seat belt alert, high speed warning. These common features come with this car. Another new cool feature added to this vehicle, which is static bending headlamps. When you turn the vehicle, if you turn the vehicle into right, another light glows on the right side of the vehicle to give better vision. And same thing happen on the left side also. So this new thing was added by Mahindra, which are driver airbags, ABS, reverse parking sensors, then high speed warning, seat belt alert, which are common. The second variant is the B6, in which you will get fabric seats. These are the major features highlighted on the B6. On the B6 option, which is the third, the main is the static bending headlamps. In the terms of features, this car is very good in before and also in present. We can't say that Mahindra doesn't make good cars because Bolero is the most reliable vehicle at the time. Now it comes with the 1.5 liter M-Hawk D75, which gets 75 bhp of power. This is the upgrade because before it gets 62 bhp of power, which makes it more powerful than before. Its performance was good enough for your daily driving. Its main talking point is not how much speed it can achieve, but how smooth the ride can be. Because of three reasons, Bolero is one of the best selling vehicles. First is its reliability. You can take it to anywhere it can. Its maintenance cost is also very low, and its ground clearance is enough that it can go anywhere. Second strong point is its ride quality. You can drive it at any bad roads, you can't feel it's inside the cabin. Third point is the fuel efficiency. As it's a fuel efficient car, it is valuable for those who makes it by private cabs, taxis in small cities and towns. It gives better mileage. Nowadays, no other products are there in this segment to compete Bolero.